So, do you have a habit of moving your plants around all the time? Today I thought, I've had this project sitting in the top of my head thinking I gotta do it, and so I thought I would bring you guys along with me and we could rearrange my bathroom. All right, here we go. Okay folks, so we are in the new addition. This is our master bathroom. I don't know if you saw the last tour, but I went through all the plants that I have in here, and for the last couple weeks, it's really been bothering me. The plants that I have up here on the windowsill, it's a north-facing window, but I just don't love how it looks anymore. And I'm constantly moving my plants around, and it's just, I don't know, it's fun, it's therapeutic, and so I thought we could do that together today. The main thing up top, I don't know if I can get you guys any closer, so I'm like gonna hunker down for a second. I have an ivy, and then, what's that, my Brazil philodendron, and then two other ivies over there, and I just don't like how, let's see if I can get you guys a little closer. Oh, look at my crazy hair. Okay. So I just don't like how the ivies are climbing up, like towards the window. It's great that they have lots of new growth, but at the same time, I just really don't love, sorry, that's so sketchy. At the same time, I just really don't love how they look up there. So let me move that up. Perfect. I just don't like how I see, like I feel like I'm seeing the back of the plant. Does that make sense? We have the new addition here too. This is the, what is it? A lemon lime Maranta, or is it like the Lucerna? Something like that. Anyways, he's kind of folded up right now. It's a cold, dreary day, but we got it hung last weekend, and I'm looking for a white plastic pot, I think. My goal is to have the pot and the chain blend in so that only the plant like holds the center of attention. Does that make sense? Right? And right now it has like the dark plastic nursery pot that it came in, and it's just the big ugly, you can see that up there, right? The big ugly hook. It's just not cute. So I am not planning on doing any in-person shopping for the next couple weeks, so I've got to do some online stuff. And I just had a realization I might need to check out IKEA, because they do ship, don't they? I don't know. Maybe they don't. I don't know. But I'm going to check them out. Anyways, plastic white pots so that it's lightweight and I can keep it all up there. Anyways, with all of that kind of loose and flowy, and then the loose flowy Brazil, look at all this new growth down here at the bottom. Isn't that gorgeous? There we go. He's looking really good. Look at that. Yes. But with how loose and flowy the Brazil is, and then the Maranta over here, I just feel like the ivies really make it too, I don't know. It's just too open. So I want some more structured pieces. Oh, and by the way, if you're new, hi, my name's Angela. I think I forgot to introduce myself. Maybe I didn't, I don't know. But if you're new, I'm so glad you're here. I love plants. I love my dogs. We have pigeons. I've got a couple kids and a husband, and we're always busy. So today, we're moving the ivies. I don't know where they're gonna go. I might train them to go up. Look how gorgeous they are though, right? This one I've like killed 6 or 7 times, and I keep bringing it back to life, but hold on one second. Okay, I'm back. So I just moved the ivies out of the way. We've got a clean slate up here. Can you see me? Oh, and keep in mind that right along the top of that tile, we're gonna put a wooden shelf. So it's gonna look really cute, and then I can put plants on top of that too. But that's a work in progress. Oh, and the tub is encased with wood. Yeah, so it's gonna look really cute. Ooh. Are you guys getting motion sickness yet? All right, so I brought one of my Hoyas. This is my Hindu rope, or the compacta. And this was gifted to me from a friend, and it likes bright light, but indirect. And so I thought, let's put it up here. This is a northern facing window, so it will be, it will get lots of day sun, but nothing direct. So we'll see how it goes. And then I thought we could move up a little night owl sansevieria. I'm not even certain that I want to keep the Brazil there. Come to think of it, we're going to move it. Watch this. There. Now I'm hoping that they kind of offset each other. So, just so you guys know, we did all the remodeling over here, building ourselves. This is extra, what is that, trim that I have painted the same color as the trim up there and set up there and using it as like a coaster so that I don't warp the actual trim up there. Works pretty great. Okay, this is the Philodendron Macaulay's Finale. Looking so good. We've got a new leaf ready to emerge. I brought it in here because it likes humidity. That's pretty cute. And I wanted to be able to mist it every day. So if it's in my eye lines, that right, I get to see it every day, then I can give it a good misting. So what do you guys think of that? I don't know if I love it, but I think it's okay for now. And then down here, I brought over Silvery Ann that I propagated from my mother plant to fill in some blank spots down here. And then I also have my Peperomia Frost, who is still blooming. I get new blooms every day, it seems like. I'm gonna pot him in there, and I'm gonna put, oh, I've got a Sansevieria that was in the other room. I'm gonna put him in the corner, and I think I'll just set him down here. I don't know if you guys can even see him there. But anyways, okay, that was it. I know I did a lot of talking, but I hope you guys, let me stand off to the side there. See how cute that is? Can you envision with the really cute shelf right there? And then of course, the air plants are gonna be hung up on the wall. And then my great-grandmother drew that picture of Minnesota's counties, and it's gonna go up behind me here on this wall. So I think that will be really fun. Look very homey in here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you watched the whole thing and you're still hanging in here with me, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Drop any comments below. Let me know what you think about that, and if you think of any other changes that I could make that might make it look better, okay? Have a great rest of the day, and we will see you guys in the next video.